Hi folks, it's Robin Clayton and I want to welcome you back to my channel, Zodicatthefarm. Today is Friday, the 17th of April of 2021, and today I'm going to be presenting this particular piece. It's a 4-piece ensemble with this gorgeous multicolored butterfly supporting plate, followed by this purple flower, followed by this pink flower petal, and then to finish it off, that gorgeous multi-orange and yellow orb that kind of blends with the back supporting plate. So I hope that you will stay with me because I'm going to give you my tips from A to Z on how to create this amazing glass flower for your home or for your garden. Okay? All right, so now we're going to move on to the items that you're going to need to complete this project. See you soon. Hey folks, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bring the camera down so I can show you all of the different supplies that you're gonna need to complete this flower. Here we are, and here are all of my plates ready to go. You're going to need to have everything set up as you would like them to appear upon completion. So this is how I want my flower to look. Now, I'm not going to be cutting these dishes today because I've already cut them in prior videos. So if you're interested in knowing how I cut these pieces, you can go to prior episodes. All right, so we're just going to be doing the assembly today. So there are my dishes ready to go. I've got 2 screwdrivers. I use an electric one to get it started, and then I usually tighten up with this standard Phillips head screwdriver. But a standard screwdriver would be fine. You're going to need a magic marker to mark your center when you're doing the cutting, which we won't be doing today, but either way, you're going to need that. You're going to need a flower if you're going to be mounting this outside, flower hook rather. You're going to need some washers. You're going to need a toggle bolt and its toggle. This is 3/16 of an inch that I'm going to be using. You're going to need a measuring tape. You're going to need your gloves, and you're going to need your protective eyewear when working with the glass. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Move everything out of my way here. And take these pieces off. Okay, so I've got this beautiful, love this. This is going to be a supporting plate, but I do absolutely love the butterfly and all the colors on this plate. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to take a washer and I'm going to stick it right there, and then I'm going to take my toggle bolt and I'm going to push that straight through just like that. Then I'm going to take my supporting plate and I'm going to push that hole straight through just like that, and then carefully turn it over on its side. And then I'm going to put another washer just like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and then take my next piece, which is my larger flower petal, and I'm going to go ahead and place that just like that, and then go ahead and put another washer right there in the center. Then I'm going to take my pink flower petal, I'm going to set that right there, and then place another washer right there, just in the center, just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and start my toggle. I don't have to take my gloves off today because I've got my open gloves. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the toggle. And just bring that not quite halfway down, just so you have enough room for that toggle to grab the orb. All right, then I'm going to take my multicolored orb and I'm going to push that straight in just like that. And then I'm going to pull it back just like that, because I do know and I can feel that it's taken the orb, and I can also visually see it because I'm here. Okay, then I'm going to carefully turn this over on its side, holding all the pieces together. I'm going to grab electric or cordless screwdriver, and I'm going to proceed to tighten in spurts. Okay, And I give it that give. I let it slip out of my hands because I do not want to break the glass. Okay, and then I'm going to come back with my other Phillips head, and I'm just going to attempt to tighten from there. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it over and make sure I adjust properly. And then let me go ahead and turn it around so you can see. And there it is. It's absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love all of the multiple colors. I love the orange orb here that kind of matches these motif flowers on the supporting plate. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. I've got a purple flower petal, followed by a pink flower petal, followed by the orange orb to finish it off. And then let me turn it to the back, where I have this amazing hook that will support it either on a stand or on a piece of conduit or PVC, which I choose both. Okay, I know a lot of people use copper. That doesn't work for me on these particular pieces. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this particular piece. I think it absolutely is amazing. I think it brings beautiful colors to the garden or to your home. I'm going to show it to you quickly on a stand, and then we're going to wrap it up for today. Okay, stay with me. Okay, here is my standard stand that I normally use for my demonstrations, if you will. So I'm going to go ahead and put this stand down. I'm going to take the piece and I'm going to go ahead and sit that right on the stand. Get it set up according to the hook. And here we go. Here is the demonstration with it on the stand. Show it to you from the rear. That's just beautiful, isn't it? I absolutely love all of these magnificent colors, the purples and the magentas and the oranges and the pinks. Just such a lovely piece. Okay, let me quickly show you what this looks like on a stand. Stay with me. Okay, again, here is this is a piece of PVC that I've painted, and I have a chair cover that I use with a hole in the center. And I'm just going to take this piece and I'm going to stick it right here in this hole. Just push it down carefully, just like that. And then here we go. There it is. Just a beautiful glass flower. You can also see the butterfly on the back, which I absolutely love, because you get a full color spectrum with this particular supporting plate. So let me turn it around one more time. It's a magnificent, beautiful piece. Okay, there it is. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love it. Okay, folks, I want to thank you so much for staying with me through the video. If you did, in fact, like the video, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. If you have any questions with regards to how anything was completed during the video today, you can email me on my website at www.zodicatthefarm.com. And if you're also interested in purchasing any of these pieces, you can also find them there at zodicatthefarm.com. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a blessed weekend and a great new week, and I hope to see you next time here at Zodicatthefarm. Take care. Bye-bye.